gut struggles to function optimally. This leads to inflammation and an accumulation of waste. When your gut is out of balance, your metabolism slows down significantly. Your body gets stuck in a fat storage mode, making it incredibly difficult to lose weight. You might be eating healthy, but your body isn't efficiently burning fuel. This imbalance also impacts your energy levels. A congested system means your body is working overtime just to keep up. That's why you feel tired, even after a full night's sleep. It's a vicious cycle. Poor gut health leads to a slow metabolism, which leads to weight gain and low energy. Until you address this core issue, you'll continue to feel frustrated and stuck. But there is a way to break free. I discovered that the key to unlocking my body's potential was a two-pronged approach. It's about addressing both the internal congestion and the metabolic slowdown simultaneously. This is the Clean Start Reset. The overall goal of this method is simple yet profound. We want to flush out accumulated waste and toxins that are weighing you down. At the same time, we need to ignite your metabolism, turning your body into an efficient fat-burning machine. This isn't about deprivation, it's about nourishment and activation. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to heal and optimize itself. The results are truly remarkable, and they happen faster than you might imagine. Step 1 focuses on detoxification and cleansing. This is where we gently clear out the old to make way for the new. It's about preparing your body for optimal function. Step 2 then focuses on boosting your metabolism. Once your system is cleaner, it's ready to receive the metabolic boost it needs. These two steps work in perfect synergy, creating a powerful transformation. The first crucial step in the Clean Start Reset is a short, powerful detox. This isn't about starvation or bland, unappetizing meals. It's about flooding your body with nutrient-dense, delicious smoothies. This method is called the Smoothie Diet Clean Start Plan. For a few days, you replace certain meals with specially formulated smoothies. These aren't just any smoothies, they are packed with ingredients designed to cleanse and nourish. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity and effectiveness. You're not counting calories or feeling deprived. Instead, you're enjoying satisfying, flavorful blends that work wonders from the inside out. The key benefits of this smoothie-based detox are truly transformative. First, it calms inflammation throughout your body. This is crucial for reducing discomfort and promoting overall well-being. Second, it dramatically reduces bloating. You'll feel lighter and more comfortable almost immediately. That uncomfortable distended feeling starts to disappear, revealing a flatter, happier belly. Third, it recharges your gut health. The fiber and nutrients in these smoothies feed your beneficial gut bacteria. This helps restore balance and improve digestion, which is foundational for overall health. Finally, and perhaps most excitingly, you'll notice a significant improvement in your energy levels. Many people, myself included, feel a noticeable boost within just 3 days. It's like a fog lifting, revealing a clearer, more vibrant you. This step is about giving your digestive system a much-needed break. It allows your body to focus its energy on cleansing and healing. It sets the stage perfectly for the next powerful step. Once your system is cleansed and primed, it's time for step 2, the morning energy igniter. This step is all about firing up your metabolism from the moment you wake up. It turns your body into an all-day fat-burning furnace. This is where we introduce two incredible allies, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice and Java Burn. These aren't just random supplements, they are specifically chosen for their powerful metabolic boosting properties. They work synergistically to amplify your body's natural fat-burning capabilities. The application is incredibly simple, fitting seamlessly into your existing morning routine. You simply mix Ikaria Lean Belly Juice into water or your favorite beverage. It's a delicious way to start your day, packed with potent ingredients. Then, you add Java Burn to your morning coffee. It's tasteless and dissolves instantly, so you won't even know it's there. But your body will certainly feel the difference as it kickstarts your metabolism. The benefits of this morning ritual are profound. First, it supercharges your metabolism. This means your body becomes more efficient at burning calories throughout the day, even when you're at rest. Second, it promotes all-day fat burning. Instead of storing fat, your body is encouraged to use it for energy. This is key for shedding those stubborn pounds and achieving a leaner physique. This combination helps regulate blood sugar, reduce cravings, and increase thermogenesis. It's like giving your body a gentle, yet powerful, nudge to work smarter, not harder. You'll feel more alert, focused, and ready to tackle your day with renewed vigor. This two-step approach is incredibly powerful because it addresses the root causes of weight gain and low energy. It's not a band-aid solution, it's a comprehensive strategy for true body transformation. It tackles both sides of the equation for lasting results. First, it takes comprehensive action by clearing out toxins and bad gut bacteria. The Smoothie Diet Clean Start flushes out the accumulated waste that has been weighing you down. This detoxification process is essential for restoring your body's natural balance. Second, it simultaneously activates your metabolism efficiently. The morning energy igniter ensures your body is burning fat and calories effectively. This dual action means you're not just cleansing, you're also optimizing your internal furnace. Many programs focus on one aspect, either detox or metabolism. But the true magic happens when you combine them. You're not just cleaning the engine, you're also giving it premium fuel and a powerful ignition system. This unique advantage sets the Clean Start Reset apart. It addresses both detoxification and metabolic activation in a synergistic way. This holistic approach ensures your body is working at its peak potential. You're not just losing water weight, you're resetting your entire system. This leads to sustainable results and a profound sense of well-being. It's about creating a healthy internal environment where your body can thrive. When I first heard about this two-step method, I was skeptical. I had tried so many things before, and nothing seemed to stick. But the promise of a simple, non-restrictive plan was enough to make me give it a try. I committed to the Clean Start Reset for just 7 days. I followed the smoothie plan, and I incorporated the morning energy igniters into my routine. To my absolute astonishment, the results were undeniable and incredibly fast. Within those 7 days, I lost 5 pounds of bloat and excess water weight. My stomach felt flatter, and that uncomfortable distended feeling was completely gone. It was like a huge weight had been lifted, both physically and mentally. My clothes started fitting better, and I felt so much more comfortable in my own skin. That tight feeling around my waist disappeared, replaced by a sense of lightness. It was incredibly motivating to see such tangible progress so quickly. But the most profound change was in my energy levels. I woke up feeling refreshed and ready to go, without needing multiple cups of coffee. My afternoon slumps vanished, and I had sustained energy throughout the entire day. I also gained a powerful sense of control over my health. I finally understood how my body worked and how to support it. This wasn't just a quick fix, it was a sustainable path to feeling my best. The best part is that this plan is repeatable. Whenever I feel a little sluggish or bloated, I can do a quick reset. It's become my go-to strategy for maintaining my energy and a healthy weight. Are you ready to experience this incredible transformation for yourself? Imagine feeling lighter, more energized, and completely in control of your health. The Clean Start Reset can help you achieve all of this in just 7 days. Don't let another day go by feeling tired, bloated, or frustrated. It's time to take action and give your body the reset it deserves. This simple, powerful method is your key to unlocking a healthier, happier you. Visit healthchddiy.com right now to get all the details and start your Clean Start Reset today. You'll find comprehensive guides, delicious recipes, and everything you need to begin your journey. This is your moment to make a change. Picture yourself just 7 days from now, lighter, more energized, and confidently in control of your well-being. That future is within your reach, and it starts with taking this first step. Don't wait, your body will thank you. Go to healthtechd.com now. Start your 7-day reset today. Click the link, take the leap, and begin your transformation. And once you've started, be sure to watch our next video, Kill Bloating Overnight. You won't want to miss it.